This older standard definition video footage has recently been remastered to significantly improve its visual fidelity. Take a look at this short clip and then head over to our streaming channel at www.historicalmachines.tv to check out the full thing.
Initially produced in 1956, the Hercules has remained in constant production and use around the world ever since. The RNZAF took delivery of its first 3 aircraft in 1965 and then 2 more in 1969. With a crew of 4 and powered by 4 Allison engines providing 4,900 horsepower, the Hercules has a range of over 4,000 kilometres and a cruising speed of 300 knots. Flown by number 40 Squadron RNZAF, the aircraft can accommodate 96 troops, 64 paratroopers, 74 stretchers or 6 cargo pallets. Classic Fighters 2003 marked the end of an era for the RNZAF's Boeing 727s. Originally purchased from United Airlines in 1981, this show marked the last full public display of the aircraft before their withdrawal from service. As with the Hercules, the 727s were operated by number 40 Squadron in their role as a transport unit. Normally carrying 108 passengers, the aircraft could be rapidly changed to a cargo configuration to carry 8 cargo pallets. With 3 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines providing 14,000 pounds of thrust, any sort of low-level pass by the 727 is an exciting one.
Join us on our full advert-free streaming service at historicalmachines.tv, where you'll find lots more great footage just like this, all for less than the cost of a cup of coffee per month.